Hey, what's going on? Daniel here again. So in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to connect your Shopify store with your Facebook so you can start running ads. Now, I've spent millions of dollars running Facebook ads for brands, and I see that a lot of people still come to me and they still don't know how to connect their Shopify store to their Facebook pixel, even though they've been doing business for a long time. So this might look like a basic video that everybody should know, but trust me, not everybody knows how to do this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. But mind you, you need to have a few things in place before you can activate your Facebook pixel and your Shopify, before you can link them together. And those things are: one, you need to have an active Shopify account. Two, you need to have a Facebook business manager, not just a Facebook account, a Facebook business manager. I'll have a video right here in the cards. If you don't know how to set up a business manager, it's a little dated video, but it's still very relevant to this day. You should have your Shopify account, your Facebook business manager, and you should have an ad account created inside that business manager so you can have all of this done in no time. So in this video, I have created a dummy Shopify account and a Shopify store. I call it inspiredshirts.co. It's just like a print on demand type of business that I just created for the purpose of experiment, but I have some really great designs in there. If you want to pick one up, you can go do that. It's really cheap, from like $15 to like $25. Anyway, that's not the purpose of the video. So I have this Shopify account, it's all set up. So the first thing you want to do before you can connect your Shopify to your Facebook is you want to go to apps inside of Shopify. Now you want to search for Meta, right? And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the Shopify app store. Okay, so right here we have Facebook and Instagram. That is the app that you want to install on your Shopify. Do that. So right now I'm going to do add app. It's going to be super quick. So once you do that, you just accept the permissions, add sales channel, and boom, that's it. Once the Facebook and Instagram sales channel is added to your store, now you will be able to connect your Shopify to your Facebook account. So once you've added that, I'm going to pin that so it doesn't go away. So now, as you can see, it says start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Now, there's two things that you need to set up. One is your Facebook shops and your advertising account. Now, the second one says advertise your products on Facebook. That's the first one that we're going to tackle first because that's the most important thing. So you want to click on start setup. So now we want to assume at this point that you already have your Facebook business account and you're logged into Facebook. If you're not logged into Facebook, before you begin at all, make sure you create a business account at business.facebook.com. Make sure you create an ad account, then you'll be able to proceed. So you want to click on connect account. Now it's going to ask you to log into your Facebook. You're going to click on continue. Then right now it's going to give you a few business accounts. I have a couple of business accounts, so I'm just going to select the one that I want to use right now. So I'm going to select that one. So here it says manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preference. You want to select maximum because that's going to allow Facebook to match your store customers to the best audience on Facebook. So we're going to select maximum and you want to click on save. So right now you should have some Facebook pixel created. So pixel is just a way for Facebook to track people based on the actions they take on your website so that Facebook can match them with the people who are most likely to purchase. So once you've created your business account, you're going to go ahead and create your pixel as well. So once you've done that, it's going to show up here. So as you can see, I have this pixel. It's called Inspired Shirts Pixel. I've already created it previously and I'm just going to connect that. If you want me to do a video on how to create a Facebook ad account, pixel and all that stuff within Facebook, let me know down in the comments and I'll be able to do that. So you want to agree to the terms and you want to submit for review. This is going to take about 1 minute. As you can see, it's loading up. So we're just waiting for everything to get connected right now. It's pretty simple, guys. Don't even complicate it at all. Before you had to install your Facebook using Pixel ID, but now it's just a seamless integration between Shopify and Facebook. All right, so as you can see right now, it says run ads on Facebook and Instagram active. So right now we can run ads using Facebook and Instagram, and I'll show you how you can detect that your pixel is active very shortly. So right now we can run ads, and this is the second part of the setup, which is to connect your Facebook to Facebook shops so that people can easily check out with Facebook. They don't have to go to the website. It's called Facebook shops. So I'm gonna start the setup right now. Right, so it says set up your shop, and that's exactly what we're about to do now. So connect your account just as we did previously. I'm going to create that. You click on continue. Now it's going to ask you to connect your business asset, meaning your Facebook page, the Facebook page that you want to sell with. So I'm going to select that, Inspired Shirts CEO. I've already created a Facebook page. You want to do that before you start this process at all. So you're going to put in your contact info. I've already put in mine. Return windows 30 days. Agree to terms and condition, and you want to submit for review. Chances are they're not going to approve your shop right away because Facebook requires you to submit some business information, like your LLC information, and things of that nature, or everything that Facebook can recognize your business as legitimate with. But I'm going to submit it for review after all, but I'm not sure that it's going to get approved right away. It says it may take a minute, but let's boom, just like I expected. It says your details could not be submitted yet. Please try again in a few moments. It says your shop, Let's see. Let's try in a few moments. Well, that is what it is. So now I need to go back into my Commerce Manager in order to go submit those details. But that is not the most important thing. The most important thing is that we are now able to run ads with our, with our Shopify store. So this is how you know that your pixel is already installed on the website. So what I want to do right now is to go to Facebook Business. I'll go to business.facebook.com and I'll go to the pixel, and I'll see if my pixel is properly installed. All right, so what I want to do is want to go to Events Manager, and we want to go to that pixel that we connected previously. We want to make sure that it's green. All right, so which pixel are we looking for specifically? All right, so we're looking for the Inspired Shirts pixel. That is the one that we just connected. And as you can see right here, everything is green. Page view, view content, add to cart, initial checkout. Everything looks good, and you don't have to do anything else. A lot of people just get this wrong. They think, you have to install a code. No, you don't have to. Everything is green right now. Last received 1 hour ago, so you don't have to do anything. Once you install the app on your Shopify store, all you have to do is make sure that you have a business account, a Facebook business account, you have your ad account and your pixel already created, and you will be able to connect your pixel using those with one click up until you get that message that everything is good to go. So that's how you connect your Shopify pixel, your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. And now once you're ready to start creating ads, you will see that pixel come up, and you can use that pixel and start running ads. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing. If you have any questions about Shopify stores, Facebook pixel, and how to run ads, make sure you add them in the comment section down below. And I'm putting together a Facebook ads live training. Make sure you sign up using the first link in the description, and you'll be the first to hear about it once the date and time is announced via email. Anyways, my name is Daniel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.